Hello everyone, I'm Kristen with the McWane Science Center and welcome to SciSparks. In today's episode, we're going to explore the power of pigments. So come with me and we'll see why some plants are green. Here in Alabama, you can find so many plants. You can look outside at any time of the year and find a green plant like this tree. And here's a shrub. And I just found a vine. Oh my gosh, there's some grasses, and I found another tree. Anyway, now most of the plants we see are going to be green, especially during spring and summer months. And this is thanks to a pigment in their cells called chlorophyll. But why does chlorophyll matter? Let's explore together. You've seen the effect of chlorophyll before, but you might not have known it. So today, we're gonna use water to help us see what's normally invisible. Wait, what's going on here? How are these leaf pieces floating? Well, this is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process plants use to make their own food. Photo, meaning light, and synthesis, meaning to combine. Plants absorb light energy from the sun or a helpful lamp, using pigments like our green friend chlorophyll. And this energy is what allows them to take CO2 from the air and combine it with water to create the starches and sugars they need to survive. One of the byproducts of photosynthesis is oxygen gas, but since oxygen is less dense than water, we have to remove that from the spinach pieces before we start the experiment, which allows them to sit on the bottom of the beaker. Once we turn on the light, we see this oxygen being produced, and once enough oxygen gas builds up on the outside of these spinach leaf pieces, you see them float up to the top. Plants are going to use some of the sugars and starches they create to help them grow bigger, and they're going to store that excess they make for later use. So when consumers like you and me eat plants, we get to enjoy the tasty results. Thank you for watching this episode of SciSparks as we explored the power of pigments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any ideas you want us to explore in the future. If you're interested in doing this experiment at home, check the description box below. I've put all of the information for you. I'll see you next time.